morning, Sam.
Morning, Mac. Did you find out anything at the church last night?
Not really. The Reverend Shepherd seems harmless enough.
Well, let's go up to your room and see how Joe's making out with the brain pattern of a World Bank vice president. It shouldn't take him long. Hi, Joe. What's the verdict?
Well, it's a perfect forgery, Sam.
Perfect, Joe?
Yes, perfect. The reason's simple. This $10 bill has been printed from the original plates.
How do you know it's a forgery, Joe?
Well, under this microscope, it is possible to establish it was printed inside the last 2 weeks. But the last official printing was 17 years ago. The plates were then supposedly destroyed in a fire. There was an investigation at the time, of course, but the file was closed. In a couple of months, when the ink ages, it will be impossible to distinguish one of these notes from the real thing.